O whalofa atu ma le nganga fia i le mamalu ma le paia o le tātou au fia. Ua mawhai o na whaatasi mai i lunga o le nei i tū lau le nei tae au. Whaafailoa i atu whaapitoa i le tātou whale tolu. O le Ekalesia Samoa aso fitu o le toe a whio mai. Ia Liverpool, Punchbowl, ia ma Mount Druitt nei. Ai whaapitoa la o whaafailoa inga i o tātou usua mālo. Ua mawhai o na whaavanoa ina le tau teimi, o whea o i Australia, ia po laulangi o loo mai moa ina le nei a sauninga i le suafa man malo Jesu Keriso o te whaafailoa i atu ia te o tau umalawa. Vi i le atua, ua mawhai o na tātou whaitapo inga whaatasi i le nei tae au le sāpati o le atua. Manatu o le a tātou amata i se tatalo. Puna mai tau au. Io vai lo mātou tamā o le lain. Ia pa ia lava lau suafa. Wa oi le atua na fua mea umalava. Oi lava le atua sa mātou wha moe atu iai. Lea wa mātou puna wa e wha ia te oi le vi inga, le whaftai, ma le wha manu te tau. Whaftai le atua i lau anga le lei. Whaftai i lau puipunga i lunga o tangata i aso tai tasi o le nei vai aso. Whaftai i lau file mu. Whaftai le atua wa o oe le atua na te tausi mai. Na te le tu lafo e ina mātou. Lo e mafuta mai taimi uma. Whaftai i lau wha maoni. O wha manianga maua i ala i ngaruenga, maalosi. Mea ai, mea uma lava mātou te mana o mia. Leo mātou fia lava le atua i le awa te tau e whafo i a te oe le tau langa masifulu ai i lau fio. Wha mole wha manuia iai. Wha maa ngalo foi le atua wha mole. Ni vainga ma ni se o tangata. Whaftai i lau wha maa ngalonga. O le mātou talo lea le atua ia taita ia pēa lau nuu. Au mātou whea ngai pēa ma le nei tu langa o le wha mai. Ia wha malu ma wha manuia i o mātou a inga taito tas. Whaftai le atua, whaftai i lau whaafonga mai, whaftai i lau a fionga pa ia o le mātou talo lea i ala i le swafa pele Jesu. Amen. O le tātou autu le nei tae au, wa o whaotuina Alalaga, Talanoa, Pepese. Alalaga, Talanoa, Pepese. Ale ia vea o ma whaiwhi au, sa tele ni ngaluenga ese sa o ngalui ai. Ina wa le aonga i le Kolisia Tawa College i Wellingtone. I lunga o le screen o lo iaila o CV that I strived all my life at school for. O ngā lue i le pisnisi lea ina wa la o Kolisi i le pisnisi o mātua ainga. O le aviina lea o le taxi, ia po o le tā vale la uai pa sese. Ai maita wina aso ia i New Zealand o se mea matua le lei tele i le nā taimi. That every family in the church had a taxi at that time. So I became the family taxi driver for my family. Te toi lava o a inga o le Ekalesia lea Wellington Samoa sa whai o lato taxi ai masalo o au sa avea ma taxi pito sili o na laititi. And I straight out of school and I became a taxi driver. Manatu o se tasi foi o ngaruenga sa sili o na whaingatā i le lisi lea on my CV o le ngaruenga lea i le whale whasimanu. A meat abattoir. O le masani o le ngaruenga lea o te ala i le whale waweao mausu e le ngaluenga a mata i le 5. Sa o whaingaluenga i le tūlanga lea o le yard hand. And the yard hand meant that I had to endure working outside. O te whaingaluenga i whafo i le malulu a New Zealand, o te whaingai ma le manongi le anga, le palapala o manu ese, o povi poa, povi whawhine, o ma moe, ma oti. You name it, man. They were all part of the job. O launga wenga la o le whaunga ina, o le whanga au e fufulu ai, fufulu mama ai o manu ia. Au le I ulu I le tūlanga e whasi ai. I would never have breakfast that morning because of the smell of this place. You know exactly what would happen if you had breakfast. Au mātulinga ruenga mua na o tango lea whaasolo mai nei manu I le whaitotoa lo o iai le fuspa u whapitoa e whaasolo atu ai I le tū e whasi ai. Mai whaingo whie la mo I povi la popoa ia o na lo iai le la au lo iai le tise e tātā e tama la popoa ia to get them going. Au ma moe la ma oti au te tau wivi ta au uma, I le tau au maia I te tonu, they were very, very uncooperative. A whapea e whia oso whafo se tasi o mā moia, then every single one of these sheep or these lambs would start to jump outside as well. O na whai loa tu linga mā moe. O le wala vave e tu uai manu ia I le fuspau. O le uu whātasi o le ua ma le siu. And then you would give it a little twist on the tail and they would just jump immediately in the belt. Ai o le whaafita uli o siu ia, o nei manu, e matua sili o na palapala ma le manongi leanga. The goats are the worst because the goats, man, you can't really, you don't really know what they're going to do. They look you up and they look at you and then they start to charge. And those were the scary times. But at the end of the day, ino wa uma le aso ngaluenga. I'm so tired. I'm smelling of sheep. I'm smelling of goats. I'm driving home thinking out loud, how much longer can I keep this up? How long must I endure this? This has got to be the saddest job in the world. Lord, are you there? God, is this my future? Lea tua ai o e whawhawhonga mai ea. O lo manai ea le nei. Manatu le nei tai ao o te manao ina ia tātou le liu I le tusi salamo o tāwita. Wa o le nei tusi alo o whaaleo ina atu tāwita lea lava Frisili. But before we go there, let me ask a question. Is COVID-19 created a similar situation for you? Are you feeling a little confused about your situation at the moment? I mean, how many of you may be feeling distant from God or maybe even like He's left us altogether? O te manatu, ia e mawhau lo loto I se mea sili o na ti ngā ma whaingata o lo e whea ngai ma oe ma manatua po o le a le langona a o tātou whaitawina le salamo ma tā upu se fulmali tolu I le nei tai au. I'm going to read it in English and you follow along. Salamo ma tā upu se fulmali tolu. How much longer will you forget me? Lord, forever? How much longer will you hide yourself from me? How long must I endure trouble? How long will sorrow fill my heart day and night? How long will my enemies triumph over me? Veiputolu, look at me. O Lord my God, and answer me. Restore my strength, don't let me die. Don't let my enemies say we have defeated him. Don't let them gloat over my downfall. I rely on your constant love. I will be glad because you will rescue me. I will sing to you, O Lord, because you have been good to me. You have been good to me. Whaitauhina le nei mata upu se fulu male tolu. Au te mawhau lo loto I le fuafuanga ma le winga moni o lo tau mawhai le whaisa lamo e whailoa mai. And I pray and hope that this morning that the way I have read it has revealed it in some way. Wa au te tonu o loo whaaleuina ma whaalia ai ni winga ese e tolu. O loo whaunga ina e le whaisa lamo e whaalata atu I le atua. The three distinctive sounds that I hear from this passage are shouting, speaking, and singing. O vaenga tā ua nei e tolu lo manino mai o le Alalaga, le Tautala, ia ma le Pepese, ia po le viinga. I want to start off with the first one here, o le Alalaga. E mai tau wina, au tātou vaai I le whai upu mua le tusi whai tau, o le matua tele lava o le Alalaga lo whai ai. O lo mai tau wina ai foi pe wa tau le toa ma le file mu le leo le whai salamo. You can immediately sense the frustration in the psalmist's voice when you read these first texts. Au tātou whaitauina le nei mata upu ma mawhau wha le mawhau iai. E mawhai on e langona ma whaalongo I le ata o tā vita o Alalaga leo tele ma tangi atu I le atua I ona pupunga. O le a le umi. O le a le umi o te ono sai ai. O le a le umi e tumu ai lo loto I le whaanoa noa. O le a le umi e manumalo ai o whili ia te au. Last Sabbath, the youth lesson, we were talking about the subject of authenticity, being real. And David here is being very real, showing his true humanity. O lo tātou whaalongo ina I nei le whaia so e tā vita o le nei whasili o a whea. O a whea. Which tells me that he is going through something terrible for a long period of time. E tau mai ua lewa o na whea ngai le whaisa lamo ma wana pupua ngā I se teimi umi. It kind of like reminds me that he... of that song, that song from Tears for Fears. The shout, let it all out. These are the things I can do without. Come on. That kind of song that really, I can do without these troubles or whatever I'm going through, I can do without it. But this is how he's feeling. Tātou te iloa po, tātou le iloa, we don't know, eh? O le ale mafu anga sa ti ngā hei le whai salamo. We don't know exactly, ai me tau wina, ua pei o se tasi ua tu ua to tasi. Ua tu ulafo ina wa le aise wha moe moe. Ai mai se ina wa iai, wa ia whai atu I le atua I le whai upu e tolu, ia e sila mai, ma e tali mai ia te au. Look at me and answer me. Remind me again who who David is talking to here. David is talking to God. David is shouting to God, look at me and answer me. Man, it's crazy. Have you ever had someone say that to you before? Have you ever said that to anyone, let alone God? I remember my father speaking to me in the same manner when I did something terrible to my sister. I remember him saying these very expressions just like David. I would be sitting with my legs crossed, hands folded and my head bowed down. And my dad would say, "Wa ai mai ate au. Ai mai ate au, matari mai." He doesn't do that anymore. Ona lewa malolo si o tama pele. But waso nei lea lo fai lo tolu ya te au nei me. Wai mai ya te au matali mai. It's not nice, eh? But this is totally different because it's not just someone shouting to somebody. This is someone that is shouting to God. Lea tua sili. Hey, mate, when kids are so cute. Ole maa lia o ta maiti, ai maise lava taimi o lo mana o mia se mea when they need something, the language that they would use is exactly how they would feel. It's sincere and it comes straight from the heart. O lo watili matua when he was younger, e loa lo watili lea o Ethan, o wa'o te whaia le awa inga I le matua inga. I'm the disciplinary person. I'm the father, eh? A whaia la e Ethan se mea le te tauma o savali atu e whaila o ngaduenga, whaila o tiute. Ai a whaia le o iailo na tina e whesosongani ati ia, wa mata o na leo tele, matangi leo tele, la watali'i. He will begin to cry as loud as he can. Why? Because wai loa la watali'i wana o ia. Wana o ia wa le aise wha moe ma wa ia mana o mia se whesosongani. E le whape o wao o sta masa ua le ai. A o le mafo anga o lo whape a e lo watali'i. He's all online. Wa whewhelo na mawhau. And he has this beautiful relationship with his mother. And he's looking for his mother in this very moment in time where he's going to get into trouble and he's looking for help. And because of his mind is all everywhere, wa whewhelo na mawhau, wa leaise wha moe I le nei taimi. Ma wa tangi o where, he's screaming the house down, but the moment that he sees his mother and he runs to his mother, the very words that come out of his mouth is, "Where have you been? Why didn't you save me?" Leupele o le tangi ma le alanga o le mautonu. Ma le tuua tō tasi pei o le langona e se pepepe atu ua na o ia. It's the same cry or shout that we all go through at times. Tātou te o'o, lava I le taimi whape nei I tātou langa tai tō tas. Tātou a inga, ma wō, e o fo'i I le vā, ma le atua. Tele o taimi tātou te manatu wa whaasanga tau mai le lalolangi atoa, ma le manatu mai fo I le atua, and it's at that point in time where we can lose hope very quickly, where we can lose sight completely of God's big picture when we are in this type of situation. But you know what? That's not what David does. It's not what this great king does, and nor should we. A tātou tangai I le mau ia soso I le unga o whai upu tolu ma le whā. E mawhai ona tātou langona ina se suinga o le leo ma le langona o le whaisalamo. Restore my strength. Don't let me die. Don't let my enemies say we have defeated him. Don't let them gloat over my downfall. Awa nei whai ane, lewa ita mai wa o manima loa ia te ia. Nei mita e wa sa wama ia te au. You know, so here he moves from the crying out and the shouting to God to speaking with God and pleading with God for relief. Restore me. Restore my strength. Don't let me die. Wa uma le alanga ma le tangi atu I le atua, au leo wa tala noa ma le olenga atu I le atua mo se mapusanga. Wa uma le tangi au we I mea o loo whapea o loo whaia le atua I lona o langa. Au leo wa toa while mu. Wa tau maua lona maa nawa wa sau lalo le toto maolunga. Maua wa tala no atu le atua I mana onga whapitoa. Meaning he sees that there's a possibility, there's a light at the end of the tunnel. Why? Because he knows despite of his situation, God is the only answer. God is the only answer. And so he asks specifically for it. Sa o ta ua mua o le tangi au we ma alanga atu e peo se te maititi Au le teimi nei wa fōlinga mai I whai upu ia e lua o lewa o lenga atu ai se tangata matua. Wa fōlinga mai wa aruese mai le tangi pei o se pepe ai lewa la atu se tangata talavou. A teenager, if you will, who knows what he wants or she wants and will not give up until they get it. O te loa tātou te masani, lava I nei winga. We've all been teenagers before. We've all seen teenagers do this. Teenagers will ask specifically for what they want, and then they will make up some big dramatic story for what they will do if they don't get it. So, do you remember those times? I remember those times. Wa tātou uma sa talavau uma Wa tātou I loa fo I winga ma mea e whai e talavau. I'm sure you understand and can relate. O le fasili la, have you ever caught yourself doing that to God? Negotiating with God? Reasoning with God? Wa uma le tūlanga o le alanga ona o le tinga ma whaanoanoanga. Au lewa e ulu atu I le tūlanga o mana o ngā whapitoa. But then it transforms into negotiating terms. You know, even though we've come out of the stage of depression and into the stage of reasoning and negotiating, this still isn't a good place for our faith. Why? Because we're still the ones trying to tell God how things are going to turn out, when God is the one that is writing the plan. God is the one that is writing the script for us. Which reminds me of my time at the meatworks. You know, when I read verse 4, don't let them gloat over my downfall. Don't let them gloat over my downfall. Man, I was ashamed of working in that place. I didn't even want to be there in the first place. I wanted to be inside with the cool guys, you know, but I was outside doing the complete opposite. Everyone had respectable jobs, and I was the only one running around after the sheep. I was the only one, you know, spending hours scrubbing my hands. You know, lewa halu se taimi omi. I le fuluina o lau lima. E awe ese hele manongi o manu ia sa o ngā lue ai. O la ngona i le langona, i le atali i whaamau oa, ina wa ia ho'o, i le whawhanga ina o le puaa. And that was that was the lowest part of my life. The meatworks. Ai o le mea sa whaamalosi ai au. Ia au tu mau pēa ma le whaamaoni, lea ngaluenga mo le taimi a toa. O le pese. O le pese lea, o le pese ai tā vita i le neisa lamo, i le o ngā tutonu o lona ti ngā mawhaingata. Singing. I rely on your constant love. I will be glad because you will rescue me. I will sing to you, O Lord, because you have been good to me. An tātou awa ai i whai upu muri ia o le nei mata upu sifun matolu. Another tone emerges. O tātou toi whaalongo i se suinga. Wa suia fo i le leo le whai salama wa ia pese ma vivi'i. He shows us that despite everything that's going on, despite everything that he's going through up until this point, everything that he's probably still going through, he's singing, he's going to keep trusting in God. He's going to keep trusting in God. Lo fai mai le fai salamo au te tu mau pea i le whaolatanga le atua e iai pea i taimi uma. Au te whaalango i loa lofa le mawai au te fia wa e whaahola mai a te au. Au te pese mawiwi a te oe le atuae au wa e anga le lei mai pea i a te au. I le te tau ona vea mea e te tupu mai, e whai ma pāpu puni po o ni alofanga, e puni tia ai le mea moni ma le alofa sili o le atua, mo oe mahau. O le alofa tu mau whai pea, ma lana whaolatanga, e iai pea i taimi uma. You know, of course, our immediate reaction as human beings in a time of crisis is to cry out. To cry out like a child, really, because we're in complete despair. And yes, we will reason and negotiate like teenagers do, because that's the journey sometimes. There's the lack of confidence. But the psalmist here, David realizes that the crying and the negotiating are not good places. They're not good places for our faith. King David says, I want to move past these phases of growth. I'm moving past these tones of shouting and speaking, and I'm coming to you confidently mature of who God is. I know who God is. And he is now singing to his Father. He's now praising the Creator God. Mea moni o le whaitainga sili lava o Yesu ma lona tama. Au whenga Yesu ma puapu ngā sili o na ti ngā sili o na whaingata, wa ia sila fia o le amaliu i lunga o le sa tauro, sa ia whaamau lalo. Ma ia mauti noa o loo sila fia ma umia e lona tamā mea umalava. Sa ia whapea atu, awana i whaia lau loto. Alo whina ngalo. Not my will, but your will be done. You know, Jesus knew that God had everything under control. Maua toi fo'i le whaisalamu I lea lava talitununga. Now, as I look back on my own personal walk with God, I'm glad that I cried out, and I'm glad that I got down on my knees and I had a conversation, even though there was some negotiating in there. I'm glad that I did so, because the more I was honest in my expressions to him, the more of my appreciation of God grows. I mean, if I had given up on God, I would be giving in to anything that would have it over me. Drinking, smoking, friends and drugs, depression, sin. At the end of the day, I just had to trust God and endure whatever came my way. The thing about God that I know to be true, that it's His timing and not mine. For He has always heard my shouts. He's always heard my pleas and bargains. He knew the person that I was, and yet He still loved me. Na sira fia lea tua lau loto, na ia whaafofonga I lau tangi, na ia lawe ai mai o puapua ngā. E le o le taimi na o manao iai, a o le taimi a lea tua. Sa lilo I lau manatu o le angaluenga sa au tauina ma whaaupenga ina au. Mo le ngaluenga lea tua, like molding me into the person I am today. You look at my CV. It's not the best CV in the world. It's the last CV that you would want. Te patua I lau o langa o te waaia I le tāua o ngaluenga ta itasi sa au ina mai ai ma sa huni ai au o se tangata wa tu lai atu I o tau luma. That God allowed me to be these things, allowed me to be the taxi driver so that I could develop my sense of direction, so that I could become familiar with my environment, so that I can meet people and talk to them, be used to people. That God allowed me to become an operator dispatcher that I might better my communication skills. That God knew that I needed to be a cleaner to teach me humility, that in life of being a pastor is all about service. He allowed me to be a laborer. He allowed me to be this laborer to teach me the value of hard work, hard detailing, to be particular, even with the little things. To be a security guard. What did he teach me there? That it's not always physical. That you could do this with your words, Brian. That you could teach someone how to protect somebody with your words. And then God needed me to be strong. And then He put me in the yard hand. He put me in the yard hand job because He knew the value I needed to be persistent and persevere. Persevere. I'm thanking God for His plan. O le nei lawa o ngalue mo le ali, vi ia le atua. O se ngaluenga sili I le laulangi a atoa. Ai o se ngaluenga whainga ma le mamafa foi. God takes us through experiences in life that we may not fully appreciate and enjoy, that we may not fully understand or comprehend. Ai au te tautino atu. O loo umia ma whaasoa mai le atua mea umalava. Nā te le tuuina oe I se mea le mawhai o na e mawhaia o na whai. Because God's plan is not to harm us, but one of prosperity, one of hope, and a future. So today I'm going to continue to sing. I'm going to continue to praise the Lord in whatever situation that I am in. Will you this morning? I le swafo Yesu. Amen. Let's pray. Gracious Heavenly Father, just want to pause at this present time to say thank you. Thank you for your hand of blessing, your plans. That in times of struggle, in times where it's going to be so dark for a lot of us, where it's going to be even worse than the times that we're in today, that we remain strong, that we remain singing, that we can shout out to you, and that we can cry out to you as well, and we can talk to you. But we must continue to sing of your glory, Lord, for you have everything in control. To you be all the glory and the praise for everything. Continue your blessing upon all those who are listening at this present time, those who can hear my voice. May your love affirm them. May your presence be with them. This I pray in Jesus' beautiful name. Amen.